This is a very popular street food here in the Philippines. This is called a fish ball stand. Turo Turo is what it's called, meaning street food. These are all your spices that you can use to dip your fish balls in. Different flavors, different spices. They also offer delicious drinks to go along with your fish balls.